Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining what is Shiba Inu. Is it a token or is it a coin? Is it an altcoin? So stay with me till the end of this video. You will have learned what is Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. Now if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor and subscribe to our channel because we are about to hit 50 subscribers at the moment. So do subscribe because a lot of content is still coming, and also like this video plus signing up with our reliable crypto broker. The link is down in the description, which is Binance Limited. Is the first recommended crypto broker we are telling you to sign up the account with and start investing and trading cryptocurrencies. Now without wasting time, let me jump into my notes. Now Shiba Inu, is it a token or a coin? This is what we're going to be explaining. Shiba is a token designed to be an Ethereum compatible altcoin to Dogecoin. Doge like Shiba is intentionally abundant with an initial circulating supply of 1 quadrillion coins. The Shiba Inu ecosystem also supports projects as an NFT, at incubator and decentralized exchange called Uniswap. Now, Shiba Inu is a well-known token which was programmed on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, Shiba Inu is supported by Ethereum blockchain, but Shiba Inu is one of the successful meme coins which came and people invested in it, and it sparked all the way and people made a lot of money. So when you focus on most of the successful meme coins in the whole world, I think Shiba Inu is the first meme coin you'd like to put on the list which is successful in the crypto industry. Now, for Shiba Inu, it came up with its project of creating a Shiba Inu swap, which is a decentralized exchange where you can go and also swap these coins, or you can also buy this cryptocurrency on centralized exchanges like Binance. So that's why I have told you that hit the link in the description and sign up with Binance for you to start your trading journey. Shiba Inu also supports NFT artworks because NFT is also a project in the crypto industry which supports artwork, music, all that stuff. So Shiba Inu is one of the cryptocurrencies which also anticipates or support projects like NFTs. Now, when you look at the data of Shiba Inu, the live Shiba Inu price today is about 0.00000012 or 17 US dollars within the 24 hours volume. It's over 4 billion and 300 US dollars. So if you find this like a currency which is over 400 billion dollars, like $4 billion and 300 million, that is a lot of money being invested in that currency. So what does this mean? Most of the currencies investors focus on top 100 cryptocurrencies. So if you get a chance and you invest in these top 100 cryptocurrencies, these cryptocurrencies, they're the most cryptos with high volatility. Why? They invest in a lot of money in them. We update our Shiba to USD price in real time. Shiba Inu is up 33%. So this percentage keeps on changing. At the moment we are in a bear market. It's one of the currencies which are dropping, but its price doesn't change a lot. So what means it has stability in its price. Why? The community believes in this currency. It has a lot of strength. The current coin market cap ranking is 12. I don't know at the moment. I checked on it in the morning. It was around 14. It's around there, but it is in the top 20 cryptocurrencies in the whole world, with a live market cap of 9 billion US dollars. So this market cap keeps on increasing, even the trading volume keeps on increasing. due to the amount of investors or traders or institutions investing in that particular currency. It has a circulating supply of this amount of money, this amount of points, and the maximum supply is not available. If you'd like to know where you can buy Shiba Inu at the current price, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading Shiba Inu stock or exchanges we recommend you, first number one is Binance. So if you'd like to invest in cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu, Binance is our first priority we recommend you to use. So hit the link in the description, sign up with Binance and invest in Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. Now, most of the cryptocurrencies we predict, we as crypto devs, which are going to make a huge, big movement in the nearby future, 2 years, 3 years from now, Shiba Inu is one of these currencies. Shiba Inu is going to make people so wealthy. Put in $100. If this Shiba Inu removes three decimal places, that's a lot of money. Put in $1. Like, these are some of the currencies which are still giving us opportunities to get rich. So if you have money, take advantage and invest your money in these certain cryptocurrencies, because you'll find 2 years from now, you will remember this video that Crypto Devs Mentors, they made a video about Shiba Inu, explaining what is Shiba Inu and recommending us to buy coins of Shiba Inu, but we didn't. At the moment, this currency has 40 small places, but you'll come 2 years from now and you find it as $0.10 or $0.01. You find you have missed all the way the 3 decimal places. For the person who invested in $100, that means he has already made $1 million or 100k USD. So take advantage whenever you get information. Try to react to it so that you cannot be left behind. So that was a brief introduction about Shiba Inu token. It is based designed on Ethereum blockchain, and it's one of the successful meme coins in the world. Now, if you have made it to the end of this video, I think you have learned a little bit knowledge about cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu. So do like and subscribe, plus sharing this video. If you feel this information is so valuable for other members who would like to know and they also get to know it, Crypto Devs, your mentors, signing out.